All right, so over here, moving south, is a severe thunderstorm that has actually merited several warnings, including tornado, flash flood, and severe thunderstorm. This storm was coming towards us. It's now heading south. Over here, though, it's an interesting cloud formation, and I just wanted to try to see if I could get so you can see the stratocumulus clouds going up here. This storm has broken the cap, so that means the tops of these clouds are at very, very high and very, very turbulent altitudes. These lower clouds here that you can see moving northwest are much lower and closer than those that are stationary, or that appear more stationary, and are actually, I believe, moving opposite to the big ones. Like I said, I believe that this main system is going this way. These low clouds are actually going that way. Is there lightning over there?
Yes.
Cool. Let's see if we can get some. Look at those clouds just moving like that. You should probably go in the house. I'll be in there in just a second. You want to stand out here? I know. But isn't that just cool looking? That was a bright one. It was over there? Where was it? Oh. Yeah, this probably in the first video you've heard that said, it isn't a good idea to have a cellular device in such an active storm as some of these we've had in the springtime. So, against my desire to continue and record this pretty awesome sight here, this over here is what's concerning. So, anyway.
Lows in the mid-60s. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. The National Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Brown County in west central Texas, southeastern Tolman County in west central Texas, eastern McCullough County in west central Texas, northwestern Mason County in west central Texas, western San Saba County in west central Texas, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Placid, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Rochelle and Placid around 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Hartsville, Fife, Milburn, Walker, Guam, US 283 near the McCullough, Coleman County line, US 190 near the McCullough, San Saba County line, and all. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging wind.
Okay, so as you heard, this is quite a large system for an afternoon spring heat storm. Moving southeast about 25-30 miles per hour, I believe is what it said. 70 mile per hour wind gusts, half-dollar size hail, tornadic activity. It's a pretty basic severe thunderstorm for this time of the year, as most Texans would know. Like I said, it is moving. It's out of our area. I'm not going to say where we are, obviously, but it did say on the list of counties there, it is heading south of us. So thank God for that. But we could have probably used some of the rain coming out of this, as you can hear. If you've watched my videos before, this tin roof out here sure does know how to make a racket when it's raining good or even hailing. So not much of that, but quite a bit of rumbling and pretty good wind. Like I said, the most racket's been coming out of that radar. Whenever they issue a new warning, it goes just some odd light sequence like that, but or sound. See, I'm not thinking there was a lightning strike. Anyway, yeah, quite a bit of lightning. So there you go. Southwestern Brown, southeastern Coleman, McCullough, northwestern Mason, western San Saba County, and that's over until 9:30 p.m. Another storm that is moving east is it's in Taylor County, Callahan, Runnels, Jones, and not Shackelford. Okay, yeah, that's not over there. Taylor, Callahan, Runnels, and Jones are all under the same array of warnings that this storm is producing. These are actually, I said spring heat storms. These are dry line formed storms. There's a dry line, and the dry lines tend to come in the evening and are producers of storms. When they break the cap, such as these, that's when they start becoming very energized, and they have to be energized to a certain point to break the cap. And once they actually break the cap, not only do they have the amount of energy that it got them there, it provides them with more. So that's why when they say the atmosphere is hatched, or the storms have broken the cap, or stratocumulus clouds, that basically just means that they're heading up to altitudes that are between us and what is considered a natural atmospheric barrier, which limits the strength that storms get. And when they, quote, break the cap, or the atmosphere is, quote, hatched, that basically just means that they are above those altitudes and have entered into the very turbulent and energized portions of our atmosphere. So that's what makes these spring storms so volatile. Like I said, this is just a good view. It's missing us. It's heading south. It did just say radar indicated rotation. I'm not sure if it is referring to this storm that is over here in Brown and San Saba and Mason counties, or if it's referring to the one that's in Taylor, Jones, and Callahan counties. Okay, that's the one that's over in Callahan, Jones, and Taylor. Impact, Lake Fort Phantom Hill, North Abilene. Take cover now. Avoid windows. It didn't say avoid screen doors with a cell phone. Maybe they should. Flash flood warning for northwestern Callahan, southwestern Jones, northeastern Taylor until 10:15 p.m. tonight. So flash flood warning for parts of Callahan, Taylor, and Jones. Dadgummit. Abilene, Wiley, Ty, Hawley, Dyess Air Force Base, Lake Fort Phantom Hill, I-20 between mile markers 277 and 295, flash flooding. Clack Street to Cat Claw Drive in Abilene, Texas. Chimney Rock Underpass. South 20th, Redwood and Antilles Road. Turn around, don't drown. Flash flooding in the roads. Yes, do not drive on flooded roads. That is very, very true. You never know when that sucker's washed out. Brown, Callahan, Coleman, and Runnels counties currently under a severe thunderstorm watch. I'm pretty sure. Okay. So apparently some of those counties have actually okay.